So during the week, I met. And every time I enjoy it during Gauteng Namang,
because you are, it's fine. Continue. We're used to it.
So I meet this guy. Ben sends a police station.
When on Bako Basala Festival, Abana Kambana Baban Bani, yeah.
No,
continue.
Continue. I'm busy about Kamalang to Alfius.
So you come like Alfius
Masang.
Okay.
And I sent the police station to Bomb Squad.
That's funny. I'm sorry because I can't imagine an Alfios diffusing a bomb. I'm sorry. I just can't.
A police station, a police station.
Okay. Every police station in a bomb squad.
Yeah.
That is so advanced.
Yeah. No, every police station has it.
Really?
Yes.
I would not know that.
So I'm going to call, but yay! And like rough. Yabo bese like aga iproguless place alsangeni sakafaka i-tracksuit so bekafaka
tracksuit umsebenzi
yeah nembe lesiphoyisa
there's no such thing
bekafaka i-tracksuit let's start from stock
okay no
bekafaka i-tracksuit nembe lesiphoyiseni boy afaka ibhandi lesiphoyisa alsangeni yabo extension yase training bekathi usenza ku bomb squad ngiyacocela as umsebenzini nge-tracksuit ebhale play afake ehembe ngathi ufake ijimtangaro yazi mawufake ijimtangaro ufase ibhani isibhamu akasibhani isibhamu
uzohlala apha etracksutini.
First of all, usebenza for 30 years in the service. He has never shot anyone. Akakazi wapreacher wathi hey freeze mara usenza ku bomb squad. Obviously, there's no bomb in the 30 years. So for every day usebenza mahala. Bathi kune bomb eplaza. Bathi kune bomb eplaza. Bathi ubona senza ku bomb squad bathi uhlanga. Bangibuza ukuthi kuphi. Use kitchen uphuza itiye nesinkwa. Isinkwa sayibosha. Uhlele kitchen. Bathi hlangu. Sondela kune bomb eplaza bathi inini? Yenza kamanje le bomb. Bathi manje. Bathi hlangu sondela hlangu. Amabhutsa kahlanga akawafasanga ilanga la kahlangu ukuthi namhlanje uhlangu fanele aveze
ikhono lakhe.
And every month ngisenza ngamakhosi ngibasa amakhosini uya ekhosini mara asumuntu olalayo because kunejive ngithi unomgaba omkhulu and ibomb phela iyadependa ukuthi kuphi bathi kune bomb eplaza uhlangu kumthathe 3 minutes ukwehle idepsini ekitchen ukuthi angene emotweni and lo mangene emotweni mangene uzothi yabaso manomzimo ungena so angena uhlangu blue light yenzani sithokile kune bomb eplaza ha abantu sabakhishiwe bangaphandle ngena uhlangu sakafaka nesikokoro ngazwa wenza ngesikokoro ufaka i-bulletproof i-bulletproof ngathi bra ihleli phezu komkhaba i-bulletproof una 30 years angayifaka ayimbashanga into yala uyifakile ayifaseke emasayidini because wayithatha angakabi ngaka sekangaka bathi nayi ibhamu bathi la bathi ongena shoprite bathi la ngaphansi kwe-shelf fanele kalala bathi hlangulala kusikolonel hlangulala uhlangalala mahalala uhlang izandla azithinti phansi sekayemiza manje izandla zakhe sezithi uphefumula
ibhamu ngaleso sikhathi le
tik 40 seconds.
Woo!
Uhlanga hayi. Yazi uhlanga wathi ngathi ngcono ngidla. Angongidla. Okay. Kaka. Ngcono ngifaka emlomeni. Bathi hlangu. I promise you. Ivarle umahlanga dotse le pompoy. Ubona intambo ukabona umuntu disconnect into ngekhadi. Athi intambo yepower that sharp. Yacima. Mahlangu was awarded. Wasave plaza. Ibhoma ibamesoti. Bathi mahlangu wathi ngiyiloma. Bathi ngiyiloma manje. Waluma kuphawu.
Khumbuza ngidina actually wena uma ngakhona. Ha?